This tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a wheel like the one I'm showing on my screen right now. The idea would be to 3D print this, and you can see that there's kind of this groove right here. And so an O-ring, a rubber O-ring would fit in here and act sort of like a tire. All right, so there's a bunch of different ways to create a wheel. And I'm going to show you one of the ways right now. I'm probably going to stay away from making too many parameters, but as you get better and better at making a wheel, using parameters so that you can change and scale the wheel, like bigger or smaller for different size O-rings, would be a big advantage. All right, so let's get going. So let's go ahead and we're going to create just a couple of parameters. I made an OD, that stands for outside diameter, and an ID, that stands for inside diameter. Let's just leave it at those for right now. And I'm going to, I have my layout grid hidden, so I'm going to show it. And let's make a new component. And I'm just going to call this wheel. All right. So let's make a new sketch, and we can make it on the XY plane. That's fine. And we're going to start off by making a circle at the center at the origin. And I'm going to give this an identity. I'm going to give this a diameter of ID, right? And that's 2 inches. There you go. And I'm going to drag this out of here so it's not in my way. All right, that looks good. And I'm going to finish this, and I'm going to extrude it. Let's extrude it so it's 0.1 inches. Or that might be kind of thin, but it's fine for this. And I'm going to make another sketch on top of this little disc that I made. And this is where I'm going to cut out like some of the spokes. You can see like this, I'm going to call these the spokes right here. So this should be pretty easy for us to do. Let's go ahead and we will make a line extending from here, and I'm going to extend this. I'm going to make it 0.9 times ID. I forgot ID is a diameter, and I'm thinking radius right now. So I want to change this a little bit. I'm going to make it 0.9 times ID times 0.5. Multiplying the 0.5 times ID, that makes it the radius, and then the 0.9 makes it a little bit shorter. So I want to line this up so it's at 90. And all right, I like that. Okay, so now that I have this, I'm going to create a arc, and I want to do a center point arc. So I'm going to click at my center. I'm going to click to here, and I'm going to drag this around. I think I'm going to go 30 degrees. Is that big enough? I like to go like 30, or let's go 45. All right, we'll go 45 degrees. All right, you guys convinced me. 45 degrees. Okay. Now I'm going to draw a line back to here. All right, so it's like we have a slice of pizza, and I'm going to make another center point arc. Here we go. Center point arc. And I'm going to go to the center. And now this time I'm going to make it, I'm going to try 0.3 times ID times 0.5. Let's see where we end up. Okay, I like that. Okay, so now I have this this shape right here, and I might just cut this. It doesn't really want me to. I'm just gonna leave it just so it doesn't get all unhappy with me. And I'm going to try to fill it these, and this is just for aesthetics, just for looks. I'm gonna fill it so it has like about that dimension. All right, that looks good. I'm gonna see if I can fill it this and this. I don't know. That looks good. All right, I'm gonna. I think I'm gonna finish this sketch, and I'm gonna extrude this, and I'm gonna use a cut operation to make this whole. All right. So this looks good. I'm happy with this right now. I do want to. Let's see. I want to create a circular pattern. So you might have it in your menu right here, but you might need to go to the drop down and find it in there. I'm going to create a circular pattern, and instead of bodies or components, I'm going to use a feature. Now you can try to click on what we just extruded, but you can also just click on the feature in the timeline, and that's what I'm going to do. Axis, I hope it's going to let me select. Oh, I don't have a circular pattern. I hope it's going to let me select the circle. It's not going to let me. Okay, so I'm going to cancel this. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to, let's see, I'm going to create a sketch. I'm just going to click here. I'm going to project this and say okay. I think there's another way I could have done this. But so now I'm going to go back. I'm going to finish this sketch. I'm going to go back. I'm going to create my circular pattern. I'm going to make a feature. I'm going to select it here. And now on the axis, there we go. I was able to click that. I think I could have just unhid the sketch and it would have been fine. And so you can make whatever number you want. I'm going to make 6. And it looks like this like orange peel or like flower pattern. And there we go. All right, so let's save it right here. We're making good progress. I'm going to call this my wheel. All right, I'm going to stop right here, and I'm going to make video number 2. All right, so I'll see you in the next one.